So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you're gonna click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the second step, make sure that you have virtualization enabled in your BIOS. For the next step, you're gonna head over to search and type in CMD. Now you're going to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, you now want to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you run both those scans, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.